Hi, hello, my name is Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Nuuly haul, and I don't know if you guys have heard of Nuuly, but it is actually Anthropology Urban Outfitters rental service. So kind of like Rent the Runway and any other service where you're paying a fee and then you get to pick out a selection of clothing and keep them for 30 days. So for Nuuly, I believe it is $89, and then you get 6 items of clothing to keep for 30 days. And that's not just like, oh, to try on or whatever. You can wear them in your daily life. It's fine if, like, you know, they get stained or stuff like that, because they get laundered and dry cleaned before being sent to the next person. I was a little unsure of it myself, but I have tried it once where I didn't show you guys. I just needed stuff for work, and so I ended up renting a few things. To me, it's hard because I'm like, okay, yes, it's more economical than buying even one piece from Anthropology, but it's also, you're paying that fee and then not getting to keep anything. So it depends on where you see the value. If one-time wear is higher value for you, Nuuly might be a good option, especially if you're someone who maybe doesn't like to outfit repeat a lot. I'm not that person. I wear my clothes out. Like I want my clothes to just, like, you know, fall apart at the seams because I love them so much. But I do know that I need nice put together outfits for some of the work days I have, or if like we're meeting a brand or something like that. So let's get into it. So this is actually new since the last time I ordered. It comes in this like reusable little cube. It's like padded, has a zipper, it's like waterproof, has that kind of lining. I think this is a super great idea. Something that I feel like a lot of brands could even implement if they're doing this kind of service, like Dia & Co and stuff like that. I think this is awesome. Of course, shipping and returns and all that kind of stuff is included in your fee. You don't have to pay for that. I will say as well that the things generally do come pretty wrinkled. I just don't think there's a way that they can get around that. So I have this like starchy white button down, but as you can see, it is a wrinkled mess. So I don't know if I've showed you guys, but I always steam my clothes. This is from Conair. It's literally like, I want to say under $30. I got it at Target, and any steamer will do. But just like, it's super fast, super convenient. I've never like messed up a garment like I have ironing. I've one time, like maybe once, I think I one time like went through something, but it wasn't with this steamer, it was with an older one. But ironing, I have definitely melted through a garment, especially with synthetic fabrics. Like that can happen a lot. So just invest in a steamer if you don't have one already. I'm actually gonna steam these before, because I have to go into work tomorrow. So as I'm filming this, I have to work tomorrow. So I usually work from home and I don't have to get dressed really. It's more of a waist up situation if I'm even on calls. So I want to make sure that I'm wearing a really cute outfit tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully whatever works, I will be wearing. Okay, so the wrinkles were a little bit stubborn on this one, but this is a white, oversized, super long button down. Now I got this in a 3X, and if this goes how I would like, I want this to be super big and dramatic to go over this little black mini skirt that I got. And I have a vision. I also have a blazer in here, so I'm gonna put on the button down and the skirt, and we'll see how we get on. Okay, so it's definitely oversized, but so far we're getting kind of lab coat-ish. The skirt I really like. I feel like it's not too short, maybe a touch, but it's nice and stretchy. So I'm not like super worried about it. But let's see for this top. My vision is for it to be like buttoned like halfway and then kind of pinned back, probably on this side because there's buttons on the skirt on this side, so that it's like, I don't know, a really cool look. Let's see. Okay, so this is how it is, like halfway buttoned. And then if we just kind of tuck going along the side. Oh, actually, because there's a tail, this might work. Let's see. There's like a little scoop. So maybe this will work out how I'm envisioning. So far the answer is no. It's not looking how I want it to, but I don't think it's over, right? Like I just think that I need to kind of mess around with it, maybe figure it out. I don't know. I don't know if I saw something on Pinterest, or maybe it was even on Nuuly's website, but she was wearing it and had it kind of swept back, and it just looked so freaking cool. And honestly, it might have just been the pose. Like she might have just been standing a particular way and it looked cool. I don't know. I will also say this is a very wrinkly top. Like, I steamed it and it still looks quite wrinkly. Oh no. All right, it's okay. The next thing that I got, did I say the skirt was in a 3X? 3X. Next thing I got was this blazer. Now, pulling it out, this blazer feels very like soft. Like, this is definitely not structured. It's almost like a stretchy material. This is Sanctuary by Anthropology. I didn't read you guys these ones, but I'll pop them up on the screen because they do have different brands, and the fits are for sure different on each brand. Let's see, this one's a 2X. It's looking a mess. It's looking a mess, guys. Ugh. I hate that when like you have a thing in your brain and it doesn't work out on paper. Now I just look funky. And if I, oh no, look at the tail. The jacket I like, super roomy. Honestly, probably could have gone down a size. Like, this is quite roomy. It's just because it's super stretchy. I will be cutting the pockets because there are pockets here, but just the hole is like sewn shut. You guys probably see the vision, but this didn't go exactly to plan. I still think we could do something with the jacket and the skirt. So let's take off the top. I have 3 more items here, so there might be something in this mix that works. Okay, so the next thing I got is this black top. And I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing. The blacks don't match. This is like a little bit more, has a little bit more gray, like not a true black. And this is just reading full black. So I love the white piping. I think it's really cute. And then the back has these little cutouts, a little bit low cut. I might be able to pull it up a little bit, but you know, these parts kind of have to go under your bosom. But again, not with this skirt necessarily, although I don't hate it, but I was definitely looking for something a little bit more, I don't know, just a little bit spicier. Just throw on the jacket again. So it's nice when you're putting together your own box, like you can kind of plan it to hopefully be able to mix and match so you can get the most wear out of the items. Yeah, that's not it. But I have 2 different bottoms because maybe it's the skirt. Maybe the skirt's not doing it for me. I have 2 different bottoms that we can try out next. Okay, so these pants are actually a cream white corduroy. I don't know if you guys are getting the texture. I think these are really cute. I'm wearing a dark underwear, I think, so that might be coming through, but I don't mind the overall fit, and these feel like there's going to be stretch. Like, there's a little bit of horizontal give, and I feel like these are the kind of pants that after wearing them for like 30 minutes to an hour, they're gonna stretch out a little bit and I'm going to feel great. They don't go all the way down. They are kind of like an ankle length. I'm not getting a ton of pulling. And again, I think this will stretch out and I'll feel a lot better in these. And you have the front little pockets here. These are by Maeve. I got these in a 22. I don't know, I think these are very nice. But I still don't know if this is a work outfit for me. I don't think, I don't know. It's not giving the overall aesthetic that I want to going into the office. It's just not it, but that's okay because honestly, I know I can wear these pants separately. I know I can wear this top separately, and I'm gonna figure out something with this like blazer jacket thing. I think though, every time I put it on, I wish it was just a bit more structured. There's no structure in this at all, and I feel like it would really benefit from just a little bit, or just being made out of a fabric that's a touch more stiff. We're working on it. I have one final pant. Is it a pant? It's a dress. I forgot it was a dress. Let's see if this works. So, this is another case of, I think it's too big, but maybe this is how it's meant to be worn. The model was probably a size 0 or 2, and I was thinking that like, I didn't want it to be totally bodycon, so maybe if I got a size up, it would like kind of skim over my body. But right now I'm giving like, I don't know, a prophet or like a choir leader. Oh no. I love the colors. I mean, that's why I got it. It's this like pink and lime green, but, and there's slits on both sides, and then the last button goes there. So maybe I could like make this work. I'm like, can I tie the corner? I don't think so. Can we belt it? Let me get a belt. Yeah, this is kind of beyond saving. I was like, maybe if I had a white belt, we could do something. But as it is, the black is not helping any. No, and like another thing is that these sleeves are very bat-like almost. I don't know if they're meant to be or it's just because it's so big. And then it's heavy. This is like a very heavy stretch fabric. So it's really just like, it feels like I'm getting out of a pool in like a wet dress. That's how I feel right now. So I'm missing the vision. Maybe you guys see it, but I don't think this is it. What a way to introduce you to Nuuly in this dress. All right, so I'm back in this top because this was a safe bet. This is a Maeve top. That last dress was Callahan, I think. Yeah, the last dress was Callahan in a 3X. So this might work for you. And honestly, I thought it was cute. On the girl online, it had just like this like really easy resort style vibe to it. And I thought maybe I could pull that off. But right now, how I'm feeling, I could not. So I do think this top, the blazer jacket situation, and the corduroy pants, I can definitely do some things with for the 30 days that I have them. Am I a little bit bummed that I got a couple things that totally didn't work? Yes, I think you might be able to switch them out. I'm not exactly sure if it's like some of the other ones where you can like technically get more than the 6 pieces in 30 days. I'm not sure, but I'll do a little voiceover if I find out, and if you can, because that would be great if I can just swap out those 2 for other ones that I probably could wear. I hope this isn't like a bad representation of Nuuly. What do you guys think? Have you tried it? Are like you willing to try it? I just think that it's kind of cool that a lot of these pieces are very, very expensive and just in a whole different price point than right now I'm even comfortable shopping in. And it gives us the access to kind of try them out, wear it for 30 days and stuff like that, and really just enjoy the piece for a short period of time, especially if you need the pieces for like a one-time wear situation or you have an event you need to go to. I think Nuuly is a great option. Also on here on the inside, it says that this like bag thing is made from post-consumer recycled plastic. So I really like that. I feel like that is something I'm not seeing from a lot of brands, and especially this, like I said, this is a newer segment of their business. I want to say within the last 5 years, and they used to come in cardboard boxes. So within that short period of time, they've seen something that could be improved and they've made that improvement. Revolutionary. I feel like a lot of brands can take note because there's certain things that I feel like we've been complaining about for years on so many brands that they can like, you know, just figure something out. So yeah, what do you guys think? Are you going to try it? What do you think of these pieces? Do you think you could have styled this pink dress? Because I feel like someone could have made that really cute. And maybe if I had, I have some makeup on, but like a full face, curled hair, and then like, you know, put a good shoe on, some bangles, like maybe the oversized look would have been a vibe. But right now, 7 p.m. after a work day, I'm not feeling myself enough to pull that off. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment, do all those nice things down below. I am trying, as you can see, to just film. I'm sorry if there's lighting issues. I'm sorry if it's a little bit different of quality than you're used to. Not that the production quality is super high around here, but I'm really having a hard time finding moments to film in my work week. So if I can squeeze a video in the evening, even if it's not direct sunlight, I hope that that's okay. Let me know if you would just prefer daylight. I can see what I could do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.